Welcome to Ansible. If you've ever felt like manually configuring servers is an endless chore, Ansible is here to save the day. It's lightweight, powerful, and best of all, agentless. No more dealing with unnecessary installations on remote machines. By the end of this, you'll be automating tasks like a pro. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Why Ansible? Well, managing users manually is like keeping track of your passwords in a notebook, messy and prone to mistakes. Ansible ensures consistency and automation, preventing those oops moments. Plus, it helps admins breathe easier, knowing tasks are handled smoothly. Before diving into user creation, a little prep is necessary. Think of it like setting up a new coffee machine. Get the beans, fill the water, plug it in, and then enjoy. Ansible needs a few things like installation, SSH access, and define credentials before it can start working its magic. The user module is your best friend when managing system users. Think of it like a guest list for an event. You decide who enters, where they sit, and what privileges they get. Ansible handles all this seamlessly, ensuring every user is set up correctly with no extra hassle. Writing a playbook is like following a recipe. You define what needs to be done, which ingredients, modules are needed, and how they should be used. Keeping it structured ensures smooth execution and repeatability across multiple systems. YAML is the secret sauce behind Ansible playbooks. Simple, clean, and structured. Just remember, indentation matters. Think of it like building a burger. If you stack the ingredients wrong, it falls apart. Follow the syntax properly for a flawless execution. User parameters are like setting preferences for your workstation. You decide the username, access level, and where files should go. With Ansible, you can do all this effortlessly in a structured YAML file, making the process reliable and repeatable. Finally, the grand moment, running the playbook. It's like pressing the start button on a washing machine. Let Ansible do its thing, watch for errors, and ensure everything runs smoothly. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Debugging logs will guide the way. Before we celebrate a successful user creation, let's make sure they actually exist. We double-check their details, confirm permissions, and just to be extra sure, attempt a login. If all goes well, congrats. If not, well, let's just say someone might have mistyped a username. Groups make user management a breeze or a complete disaster, depending on how you organize them. The goal: logical grouping, proper permissions, and routine maintenance. Because let's face it, if everyone has admin access, we might as well hand out VIP passes to chaos. Passwords, the necessary evil of cybersecurity. We set strong policies, enforce multi-factor authentication, and educate users because 123,456 is still a thing. Regular updates keep passwords fresh, much like milk, except less smelly when expired. SSH keys take security up a notch. Goodbye weak passwords, hello encrypted access. We generate secure keys, disable password logins, and rotate keys to stay ahead of threats. Think of it as changing your locks before a burglar even thinks about stopping by. When a user leaves, we ensure their access doesn't linger like an unwelcome guest. Automation helps revoke permissions swiftly. Logs keep things transparent, and notifications keep everyone in the loop. Because security gaps are the last thing we want as a parting gift. Managing users isn't just a one-and-done deal, it's a continuous process. Regular audits, least privilege access, and user education ensure smooth operations. And of course, documentation helps, because relying on memory alone is basically rolling the dice. We've covered a lot: users, passwords, groups, automation. Now it's time to put it all into action. Keep security in check, stay efficient, and never stop learning. And if something breaks, well, at least now you know who to blame. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.